You finally landed your job and your offer letter says you are making a great salary. When the first of the month actually arrives, the money hitting your bank account is much lower than you expected. You pay your rent or the food a few times. Suddenly, within 10 days, your account is completely empty. Welcome to the Indian middle class trap. Today, we are going to show you how to manage, protect, and invest your very first paycheck in 2026 so you can build wealth instead of living paycheck to paycheck. Welcome to Piggy Profits. Entering the workforce in 2026 is financially tough. Between entry-level salaries and high urban inflation, fresh graduates are facing a tough macroeconomic climate. But building your independence isn't about making a lot of money on day one. It's about knowing what to do with your first $30,000. By the end of this, you will know the budgeting rule for Indian metro cities, the hidden trap. Behind no-cost EMIs, the secret too. Protecting your savings from medical emergencies. And the exact step-by-step investing. Plan to turn your first salary into a big retirement fund. A harsh reality check and known truth about fresher salaries. In India is the big gap between the cost of company, or CTC, on your offer letter and your actual take-home pay. The fixed part of your pay usually makes up about 60% to 70% of your overall CTC. This means if you are offered a package of 10 lakhs, you are realistically bringing home 55,000 to 60,000 a month. For engineering and IT graduates, the average starting salary has been around 3.5 to 4.5 lakhs per annum for over a decade. This translates to a net take-home salary of roughly 30,000 per month. That's the problem with traditional budgeting rule is financial. Experts say to use the 503020 budgeting rule: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. This rule was made for Western economies and doesn't work for fresh graduates in high-cost Indian cities. If you live in a city like Mumbai or Bengaluru, basic survival costs can easily exceed 50% of an entry-level wage. In Mumbai, basic expenses can easily use up 100% of a 30,000 salary. Trying to stick to 15,000. Limit for essentials on a 30,000. Salary often leads to budget failure and financial stress. A better budgeting roulette or fix this, you need to use the adjusted 60 minus 20 minus 20 framework. Here's how it works on a 30,000 salary. You allocate 60% or 18,000 to your needs. This includes rent, basic utilities, core groceries, work commute, and health premiums. Next, you allocate 20% or 6,000 to your wants. This includes dining out, streaming media, and lifestyle spending. Finally, the remaining 20% or 6,000 goes entirely to savings and investments. The power of compounding financial asset you have in your 20s is a long time to invest. Compounding works on a scale, meaning your money grows a lot during the final years of your investment because your returns start earning their own returns. To scenarios, let's look at the scenarios. Imagine you start investing 5,000 a month in an equity fund at age 22. Assuming a 12% return, you keep this up for 38 years until age 60. By the time you retire, your total invested capital of 20.80 lakhs will have grown into a 1.76 crore. Now imagine you delay investing by 5 years. Starting at age 27 instead, you still invest 5,000 a month until age 60, putting in a total of 19.80 lakhs. Because you lost those 5 early years of compounding, your final corpus drops to just 98 lakhs. The cost of delay, that single 5-year delay, costs you 78 lakh in lost wealth. This is a 44% reduction in your accumulated wealth despite you only contributing 3 lakh less in principal. To bridge this 78 lakh deficit, the investor who started at age 27 must increase their contribution from 5,000 to nearly 9,000 for their remaining 33 years. Delaying your start effectively doubles the savings required to reach the same financial target. Accelerating wealth creation, though. Accelerate your wealth creation without hurting your cash flow. You should use a step-up SIP. This automatically raises your investment by a fixed percentage each year aligned with your professional salary. Increments. The dangers of no-cost EMIs know that you have a salary. You will be targeted by financing models designed to encourage discretionary spending. For someone with a monthly income of 30,000, no-cost EMIs and buy now, pay later platforms present severe financial risks. The The truth about no-cost and no-cost EMIs are not actually free. The retailer offers a discount on the product equal to the interest charged by the bank, and the bank charges you interest on this reduced principal. You also pay an 18% goods and services tax on the interest charged by the bank every month. Furthermore, lenders charge refundable processing fees ranging from $199 to $999 plus 18% GST. The risks of buy now, pay later, or BNPL platforms are also risky. Every BNPL transaction, a small 500 food order, is reported to credit bureaus as a small-ticket personal loan. Stacking several of these microloans across apps creates a fragmented credit profile that signals deep credit dependency to lenders, cleaning up BNPL. Then if you have fallen into this trap, you need to execute a 4-step BNPL cleanup plan. Step 1, list every BNPL app and balance. Step 2, active accounts by paying off the smallest balances first and obtaining a no objection certificate. Step 3, limit your credit access by keeping one well-regulated BNPL app and limiting usage to 5,000 maximum. Step 4, prepare your remaining dues 3 to 5 days before the statement date to ensure banks report a credit utilization ratio to CIBIL, boosting your score. Protecting your wealth from medical emergencies for an entry-level earning $30,000. Medical emergency is a big threat to financial stability. A brief hospitalization can easily result in bills that exceed 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs. The limitations of group medical cover. Salaried bachelors rely entirely on employer-provided group medical cover, but these policies have limitations. Entry-level corporate covers are typically capped at a 3 lakh to 5 lakhs. Crucially, the moment you resign or change careers, the coverage instantly lapses, leaving you uninsured during job shifts. A super top-up health insurance strategy to protect your wealth without overstraining your $30,000 income. You must use a super top-up health insurance strategy. A top-up policy offers coverage once your medical bills exceed a specific out-of-pocket deductible. However, there is a difference between a standard top-up and a super top-up. A super top-up is vastly superior because it considers the aggregate of all claims incurred within a policy year. Let us look at a scenario with claims. Assume you have an insurance policy that covers 5 lakhs, and you buy an additional 10 lakh top-up with a 5 lakh deductible die asterisk and claim when you are treated for dent, which costs for lakhs. Your basic policy covers this entirely. Your deductible is not met. The top-up does not trigger. Months later in claim, do you need surgery for a fracture costing another for lakh? Your basic policy has 1 lakh of coverage left, which it pays. If you have a standard top-up, it will not trigger because the second claim of 4 lakh is still below the 5 lakh deductible. You have to pay 3 lakhs from your pocket. If you have a super top-up, it adds up the bills. Your total claims reached 8 lakh, which is more than the 5 lakh deductible. The super top-up covers the remaining 3 lakh. You do not have to pay anything. These plans are very cost-effective. Adding a 20 lakh super top-up with a 5 lakh costs only $1,000 to $2,500 per year. That is about 3 to 7 a day. Also under Section 80D of the Income Tax Act, premiums paid for these policies are tax deductible up to $25,000, which lowers your tax liability while building a safety net. While careful, budgeting and investing are important. They are tools for optimizing an income. To build wealth that lasts, a fresh graduate must focus on increasing their earning potential. The reality of low starter salaries highlights upskilling as a pathway for financial growth. Early career professionals who learn intelligent skills report an average salary increase of 155%. AI and machine learning freshers can get starting offers between 5 and 15 lakhs per annum. Certified professionals consistently earn 20% to 40% more than a certified peers in fields like data science, cybersecurity, and digital marketing. By combining budgeting, automated investing, and targeted professional upskilling, you will successfully navigate your initial financial constraints and build wealth. Managing your salary is the foundation of your entire financial future. Do not let lifestyle inflation steal your long-term growth. If this breakdown helped you rethink your paycheck, please like this video as it really helps the channel grow. I want to hear from you. What is the first mutual fund or asset you plan on buying with your first salary? Let me know your strategy in the comments. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications because we upload educational finance tips every single day. Remember, true financial independence is not about how money you make. It is about how much money you keep, protect, and grow over time. Keep learning, keep investing. Let us build those piggy profits. I will see you in the video.